everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well and good. So if you are watching me for the first time, then my name is Uma. I do create content about makeup, fashion, skincare and DIY related stuff on my channel. And if there's something you enjoy watching, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon for more of such type of videos. And you guys know how much I love you all. So yeah, today's topic is about healthy hair and beautiful skin. So today I'm going to be talking about these two Chic Nutrix hair and body supplements. So want to know the secret of my flawless skin and bouncy hair? Here is the secret. Chic Nutrix Bounce is a yummy fizzy supplement that takes care of the bounce, shine, dullness and dryness in my hair. Within just a few days, I have seen unbelievable results in my hair. My hair fall has almost completely stopped and it shines all the time now. So everyone is talking about just apply this DIY face mask, this cream, that cream. That's okay, but our inner health is more important than our outer health. If you are not providing your skin, your hair what they need, they are not gonna make you feel good, और वो वैसे के वैसे ही रहेंगे, वो कुछ भी improve नहीं होंगे. As for Chic Nutrix Super C, filled with clinically proven natural amla extracts, which is rich in vitamin C and zinc. Chic Nutrix Super C is a balanced combination for you to flaunt acne-free, healthy skin, made with Swiss effervescent technology so that your girl can slay every look. Chic Nutrix Super C is a vitamin C and zinc supplement which naturally boosts the collagen production in our body. The skincare effervescent tablets prevents premature aging, fine lines and provides added sun protection. Sun protection? Yes, you heard it right. ये हमारे स्किन को सन से होने वाले डैमेज से भी बचाता है. So I have been taking these for 15 days now and people often ask me what are the benefits of this. So here they are. So first I'll be talking about this Bounce Hair Recovery Complex Biotin Selenium Good Hair Day Every Day. So this is the first time in India that we have hair food, that means hair supplement in the form of effervescent. And that makes the product really effective and जिसकी वजह से कि ये product बहुत ही ज़्यादा easy हो जाता है intake करने में. And which reduces hair fall and promotes nourishment and maintenance of overall health of hair follicles. It supports hair growth and hair health as well. It also helps to reduce dry, rough, brittle hair with split ends. Isn't it amazing? It also increases the hair density and bounce with decreased hair loss. And it also portable because it's really small. You can carry it on your handbag on a day-to-day basis. जैसे कि आप कहीं बाहर travel कर रहे हो, you can carry this in your handbag as well. So this is what I love about this brand because this is something like everyone can carry it in their pocket as well or in their handbag, and it's a really tasty drink for healthy hair and it's 100% vegan and effervescent supplement. It also delicious as well. Trust me guys, you will never regret buying this. And the flavor is green apple flavor, and one more point, it's no added sugar in it. So these are the benefits of this Bounce. Now let's talk about that Super C. Chic Nutrix Super C, Amla extract and zinc, natural vitamin C for skin protection. So it has a natural vitamin C and zinc which supports overall skin health. It also revitalizes and prevents from discoloration. As I said earlier, it also provides sun protection to your skin. That's a plus point. And it also boosts your collagen production in your body, जो कि हमारे skin को healthy, glowing and younger बनाने में help करता है. It's dermatologically approved, no added sugar and gentle on stomach. It will not harm your health because it's dermatologically approved. So it will not gonna harm your stomach as well. So don't worry about that. And it also tastes like really delicious. I can't explain because it's like some kind of tangy orange wala flavor because of course it has vitamin C, so थोड़ा सा tartness तो रहेगा ही. So let's talk about the packaging first. They both comes in a pocket friendly bottle and you will get 20 effervescent tablets in each bottle, which means almost 1 month ka dose. All you need to do is just pop, fizz and cheers once a day, daily for good skin. Now, how to take this? Drop one tablet into 50 ml of water. Wait till the effervescent tablet dissolves completely and then drink. And both the tablets are in effervescent form, which taste really delicious. So what are you waiting for? Get started. All you have to do is tap this cheers to great skin and good health. So that's it for today's video. I hope this video will helpful for you, and I'll put the links on the description box so you can check them out. And if you wanna buy it, then you can tap that link and easily buy it. See you on my next video with brand new content on my channel. Till then, bye.